Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the all-new Jawbreaker palette. This is a look that I came up with today. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful sunset and sky look, just keep watching. The brushes that I'm using, I'm going to use the Morphe Pride bundle because I haven't even used them yet, so I decided why not. I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Good Morning, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and buff it out. I'm just gonna put that on the center of my lid just to kind of get a base for what I want to do. She's pigmented! And no, I'm not using a base. If you want to use a base, you can, but my eyes get way too creasy. Next, I'm gonna take the shade F-U-C-K. I'm gonna put that in my crease and inner and outer corner. This is such a neon shade, and she's pigmented. We want it to be mostly pigmented on the lid and then blended into the crease as seamlessly as we can. These blend super easily, like I'm barely having to do anything and it's just blending itself. I'm going to add the shadow Suck, and I am going to add that into the crease and tiny bits on the outer corner. I'm going to take the shade Jawbreaker and put that on my inner corner. On my lower lash line, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go into the blue tones and just kind of do like a little moment there. So I'm going to first take this light blue shade and I'm going to just run that along my lower lash line. Holy crap, that is very, very pigmented. I was going to go into the darker blue, but I think I'm going to save that for another day because I actually really love just how simple the lower lash line is. I actually really like how that light blue goes with the top of the eye. In my lower lash line, I added Prance ColourPop gel liner just because it kind of goes with the blue on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply one of the new liquid lipsticks. I'm thinking I'm going to go in with Strawberry Crush. I'm going to go in with the shade Strawberry Crush. So this is Strawberry Crush. I think it goes amazing with this eye look, and it's so neon. I don't think the camera can pick up just how neon this is. This is so beautiful. In the tube, it honestly looked boring, but on the lips, dear lord, that is gorgeous. So I just applied the Diamond Wet Supreme Frost onto my cheeks, and I'm obsessed. I will do a separate video reviewing this and demoing it, but spoiler, this is amazing. So this is the finished look, all done. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out. I absolutely adore this like a sunset moment on my lids and then the like blue sky moment on my lower lash line. I am obsessed. Honestly so happy. And this liquid lipstick is freaking bomb. I'm in love. I really like how this look turned out. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever. Like, I'm so happy. I will be doing a separate review video on this once I've used it a few more times. I also have some ideas for more tutorials. I also have the mini breaker palette, which I will be reviewing and doing a tutorial very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm honestly so obsessed with this. I love it. Oh, I'm in love. Jeffree, you did it. Yes, ma'am, you did it. She's such a queen. My God.